certain time of the day, the shadow is falling. Yado certain time, a devasthan neredu is shadow. It is falling. So this is height of the pillar. I will give 1 meter stick. With the help of the stick, we have to measure the shadow and find the height of the pillar. How? It is possible. How means you keep the 1 meter stick. 1 meter stick now parallel to this, and you will get the shadow of this stick. It may be double or thrice what it may be. Akasmat 1 meter stick cannot 2 meter shadow also. 2 meter per weight 2.5 or 3 or what it may be. Then with the help of this stick, you measure the shadow of the pillar. For example, it is 8.4 meters. It appears the shadow like that. Then you can study the relation, no? 1:2. So height 1 meter, shadow double ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದೇ ತರ ಈ shadow ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿದೆ 8.4 ಬಂದಿದೆ. So the height of the pillar is half of this. So it's 4.2. It is very simple. So this concept was explained by a famous Greek mathematician called Thales. A famous Greek mathematician called Thales. He was Thales, a Greek mathematician on 547 BC. He was used to draw the line segments, geometrical concepts, and theorems. On his name, a famous theorem is there. Then we will discuss that theorem also. So he was a Thales. He used to find the height of the pyramids by using the shadows in Egypt. You know pyramids. That shadow bittare, a shadow nodekondu, adu ಎಷ್ಟು height ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ he is measuring. So this was the important theorem. So today we are going to discuss. So you can observe 1/2 is equal to 4.2 by 8.4. See, 1s are 2s are. If two ratios are equal, it is called as what means proportional. It's called what? Proportional. So this starts a theorem. The theorem is called as basic proportionality theorem. In short form, it is also called BPT, and it is also called Thales theorem. Basic proportionality theorem, Thales theorem, or BPT. It starts. How it explains? See here, you understand? You can observe this straw here. So this is length 5 cm. 5 cm take the length of the straw. You can take a mobile torch in a house. You just give a mobile torch, you put a white sheet, you will fall for the shadow. Here this is the light. See, we are getting the shadow. Can observe a shadow, friends? Yes. With the help of the scale, you measure the length of the shadow at home only. See, like this. At certain distance, don't shake the cardboard, keep it on the table and do it. Table and it money, correct? Same only. See here we are getting the length 6.5. Or if you keep like this, you will get extended. You keep it in one position and mark down the length of the shadow. Similarly, you take another straw which is doubled. So this is 5 cm, this is 10 cm. And you keep it here. And observe the parallel to each other and keep it here. See, now you can observe now. Here shadow is length like this and length also is doubled. See here, double. So this concept is called what is proportional or proportionality. These two ratios are equal. Based on this, he formulated the theorem. That is what basic proportionality. So what this statement tells about that? Before that, first you observe this. points. See, first note down this, students. What is this? Copy line. Yes. Good. I will draw this straight diagram line. First straight line. Next. See, one triangle is there. Can you observe the figure? No, students. Triangle is there. Yes. And the straight line is passing through the triangle. Okay. I put a condition. This line is parallel to any one side of the triangle. Here there are how many sides? 3 sides. A, B, C. And this line is there, no? Right. This should be parallel to any one side. I will observe a triangle BC here. Draw a parallel. Yes, I draw a parallel line. To which side? BC. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ parallel draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? BC draw ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So ಯಾಕೆ ಸರ್ AB draw ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? First you observe this figure. Next, what happens? After drawing A, ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? We can see here intersects 2 distinct points. See, after drawing, it intersects other 2 sides. These are the other 2 sides. Intersect 2 distinct points. I will mark it as D and E. ಆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಲೈನ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ 2 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ D and E ಅಂತ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ್ 2 sides ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು AB. AB divides into 2 portions. Which are 2 portions? AD, DB. Next one is AE, EC. You measure the length. The length ಅನ್ನ measure ಮಾಡು and verify and observe what happens. That is that. So for that ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. A simple activity. Another one. Same one. You see here. I will draw a triangle here. Observe the triangle ABC. Same. One thing. Here I will take a measurement of the wall. Let this be 5 cm. A, B, C. See 5. Now it is doubled. See. AC is doubled means the length is 10. Now we mark a point of 2 cm here. So that is B. It divides 2. The remaining portion is what? 3. Okay, question is, I will draw parallel from D. A straight line is drawn like this. Is it parallel? Is it this line is parallel to BC? No. The line is not parallel to DC. So, you draw a line parallel to BC. How? See, this is line not parallel. X, Y are DE. We draw a line parallel to BC. Now you observe this DE parallel to BC. After drawing the parallel draw ಮಾಡಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ here AD is what? 2. I told this is 2. The remaining portion is what? 3. And you observe the other 2 sides. This is 2. See here it also doubled. That becomes how much? 4. Here the remaining portion is 3. Here this also doubled. See? It becomes how much? 6. You observe the other 2 sides. 2 by 3 is equal to what? 4 by 6. See, 2 2s are 2 3s are. It divides into what? Same ratio. It is also called what? Proportional. So this is a proof of basic proportion theorem, but application, not a theorem. Now next class we will go to study about proof of it. So this activity method, what we explained, 2-3 different activities. I think students, you are clear this concept. Once again I will repeat. We should know the how to write this statement. See first, we should know the points. What is this? Tell you only this. Line. Yes. Whatever this line is drawn what? Parallel to one side of a triangle. Right. Need not to buy it. Okay. Next, after drawing, you can intersect the 2 points P and E. Then what about the other 2 sides? Same. The line divides the other 2 sides. The same ratio, that is called proportional. So that's why when you can tell like AD by DB is equal to another side portion AE by BC. Okay. Take down this. Write a question and take down this is important. So this is the diagram habitat. You can write down any. If in exam they will ask any type of diagram, you are able to write the formula. For example, one question. So we write diagram like this. A, B, C. MN. MN is parallel to what? A. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? MN A ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ DE BC ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ? AD by DB that is equal to AE by EC. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕು? First write down the parallel lines. AM parallel to AB. Then CN by NB is equal to the remaining side on that side CM by NB. And what happens? The sides are proportional. So once again I will repeat the statement. By writing the diagram, you remember. First you write like that is like this. Straight line, a triangle one side, 2 distinct points, and divides. This is the cube. Now we're done. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides at distinct points, then a line divides other 2 sides in the same ratio. That is called proportion. I'll write once again. This statement This is an activity diagrams. So in exam they will give the question like this. State basic proportionality theorem. Sometimes they will ask question like this. State and enunciate. I will tell the meaning. Or BPT is also called what? Thales theorem. Very simple. See here. How to write the definition. First, state and initiate 1 mark question for examination. State basic proportionality. Yes. So first you remember the diagram what I explained. First straight line. First diagram easy to understand. First triangle. What is the triangle? ABC. Now draw a parallel line. DE parallel to BC. We should write down the parallel mark like this. See, start this statement. If a line drawn, so this word is important, parallel to one side of triangle intersects other 2 sides, intersect other 2 sides at distinct points, other 2 sides at distinct points, which divides other 2 sides in same ratio. So this is the statement. Repeat, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides at distinct points, then the line divides other two sides in the same ratio, or it is also called proportional. See, first you write a diagram, next you write like this. This is initiation in triangle ABC, which is parallel DE parallel to BC. Then ADC by DB is equal to other two sides AE by BC. State means statement enough. Initiate means when write down the diagram and forward. Sometimes they will ask only initiate basic proportionality theorem. Then at that time you should write diagram and formula. So actually statement will be given. So very simple. See, observe the diagram and learn the statement. See like this. First you write if a line incalculable, if a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, then the line divides other two sides in the same ratio. Now you should do what is the domain means. So this is basic proportionality. If a line drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersects other two sides at distinct point, we divide the other two sides in the same ratio. That is proportional. Very simple. Here, can you tell anybody how to write the formula means? Very simple. Ry with the side y by q. That is probably equal to Rx by Px. And for this C M N. So this is a triangle. Here B D parallel to C. Here BD parallel to C. How write it? BPD? Yes. AMP by what? PN is equal to MP by EC. So this is what. Another one. Give a question answer. See one question here. Figure out a graph like this. In triangle PQR, MN parallel to QR. If PM by MQ, see here, is equal to PN by dash. So which side we are going to fill up here? We want to think about that. According to BPD, that is according to basic proportionality. So which is the remaining side? PN by. I am going to fill up what? N now. Okay. I'll give one multiple choice after that. So here one board is there. Next class we will explain canvas and corollary also today. Next class we are going to prove the proof by theorem methods. See, you can observe here ABC is a triangle. Here P and points are the distinct points. See, drawn parallel. After drawing the parallel, observe the two sides. AD by DB, what we discussed here, back and AE by EC. So this is called Taylor's theorem, basic proportionality theorem, or BPD. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, then other two sides are divided by dash, same ratio or proportion. So we can do the activity like this also at home. One by one we should remember the points here. This is a triangle in this. After that, a line is drawn to one side of a triangle. Then after that, see a triangle is formed. Sides AD and EB. A and B are proportional. Okay, I am going to rub this now because I think you have copied this. Only the run of the next we have one question, simple. So this is VP, that is called AS theorem. So one question here. You see in general we talk like this. ನಾನು ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದೆ ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ I work hard work and smart work. I got first in the examination. Another sentence. Now first time ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ. Here there are two statements. ನಾನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದೆ. ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾರಣ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here observe the diagram. If you draw a line parallel to one side of a triangle, then the sides divides in the proportional. You think about reverse, converse of it. You should know about converse of VPT. We should tell in reverse way. So what VPT explains? Parallel ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ sides ಉಳಿದ side proportional ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ I observe this triangle. A, B, C. I will draw a line like this P2. It's looking like parallel, but I don't know this is parallel or not. So here AB, imagine length 3, it is 6, it is 5 and 10. So you observe the sides here. AB is here 3, BB 6, 3 by 6 is equal to here 5 by 10. See here 1s are 2s are 1s are 2s are. Here what happens? The line divides other two sides in same ratio. Proportion divide ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ this line ಈ ಲೈನ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್. BPT ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಈ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಬರಿಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ಏನು ಬರಿ ಕಾನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ BPT ಬರಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಫ್ ಟೈಗನ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ AB this one by PB is equal to here side is what A cube by C. Then this line PQ ಇದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ parallel to this. So this is called converse. How to state means if a line divides two sides of a triangle in same ratio or proportion. If a line divides two sides of a triangle in same ratio or proportional, then that line is parallel to third side. It's parallel to third side. So this is the statement of converse